Welcome to DrawColor. Today we are going to see how to draw peacock and some interesting facts about peacock. Peacocks are known for their vibrant and colorful feathers. The male, called a peacock, has long, iridescent tail feathers that can be blue, green, and even gold. These feathers are used to attract females. Female peacocks are called peahens. They are generally smaller and have brown or grayish feathers. Unlike the males, they do not have the extravagant tail feathers. In India, the Indian peafowl, also known as the Indian peacock, is the national bird. It's admired for its beauty and cultural significance. Despite their large and heavy feathers, peafowls can fly. They use their wings to fly into trees to roost or to escape from predators. Peafowls are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and small animals. They enjoy a diet of seeds, insects, fruits, and even small snakes. Peafowls are known for their loud calls. The male call is a distinctive meow or honk sound, while the female makes a softer call. Peafowls are native to South Asia but have been introduced to other parts of the world. They are often found in forests, grasslands, and farmlands. In various cultures, peacocks symbolize different things. They can represent beauty, pride, and even resurrection due to the way they shed and regrow their feathers. In some countries, peacocks are protected by law because they are considered endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. In the wild, peafowls typically live for 15 to 20 years, while those in captivity can live even longer. Peacocks undergo an annual molt where they shed and regrow their feathers. During this time, they may look less vibrant. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to DrawColor for more videos like this.